Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Serena. If you have not seen any of my previous videos, I do makeup tutorials, and today I wanted to do something a little bit different besides just a regular tutorial. And I put up a poll on my Instagram stories. Follow me there. It's Face Your Mirage. And I asked if you guys wanted to see a power makeup or a 15-minute full face glam, and the 15-minute full face won. So this is the look that I just created. And I think it turned out really nice. Within 15 minutes for a full face, I will take this. So if you want to see how I managed to get this look done in 15 minutes, please keep watching. Okay guys, so we're starting bare-faced. So I'm going to get a timer, but I am going to have an idea of what I want to do. So this is for someone who has 15 minutes tops to do their makeup. They want to do full face, but you know you're gonna have to cut some corners. So I'm just gonna lay out what I'm gonna be using, and I will just show it to you guys in the video as I'm using them, but I'm gonna have it kind of set up so I just pick up and go and try to get this done in 15 minutes or see what I get done in 15 minutes. And yeah, so I'm gonna just get that set up and I will be right back. Okay guys, I have the timer set. I am going to press. Okay, I gotta be quick. Okay. I'm gonna use my favorite e.l.f. blemish primer. Sorry, I have to have my camera or my phone that I'm using to record a little bit at an angle. So hopefully it's not giving you guys too much of a double chin. But I've been using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's in the color Desert Beige. Let's just do a little bit. Usually if I don't have that much time, I don't even do foundation, but let's do a little bit so we don't look. Okay. Not too bad. I'm going to use my foundation brush from Juvia's Place. I'm just doing a light coverage. I do understand if somebody has more of a acne prone, or depending on any scars and all that, you know, you would need more coverage, but this is still pretty good. Better than going barefaced, I guess, which I do most of the time. I'm sorry guys, I'm looking at the camera. Okay, and I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige. And I'm just going to do it under my eyes. Usually I go on the forehead. I'm just going to use the brush to speed up the process. And I'm also going to drag it onto the lid to even out the skin tone. The reason I use a makeup brush, and you'll know that I also go over with the sponge, is to smooth out any lines. Like the brush is fine, but it always leaves a couple streaks. I'm sure you would know if you've used a brush to apply your foundation. I'm gonna set my under eye, and I'm using the Coty Airspun Quick Times. I usually only set my under eye and like the forehead area and the chin, because for the rest of the face I usually bronze. Ooh, the camera is probably capturing all this powder. And I will usually go in with the bronzer, and I've been loving this BH Cosmetics bronzer. I use it as like a contour, but it's a bronzer. 11.5 minutes. So this is like an angled brush. I don't have that much time, but angled brush, and I usually use the tip of it to draw that line, but then I blend it out in circular motions to have more of a blown out. Okay. Oh, and the reason I don't set the whole face is because I go in with this powder contour, which takes up most of the face. So I just usually don't set my face with loose powder or you know, powder foundation. I usually set it under my eyes, but then go in with the bronzer or any other powder form and do the rest instead of doubling up on the dryness. All right, let's just do a little blush, why not? And I'm using the Juvia's Bella. It's been my favorite. It's like a peachy. I know I haven't washed. I know I haven't wiped under my eyes. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Just gonna do a quick eye. And we're gonna take the Juvia, or not Juvia's, my bad. We're gonna take the Anastasia Soft Glam, and I'm gonna just do a brown all over. I love this palette. This is like one of my favorites. I don't own too many of them, but Soft Glam has been my go-to for any everyday look. This one's been my go-to. Ooh, 9 minutes. And get all the powder. I usually contour my nose a little bit, but we're gonna skip that. Okay. Need a different brush. Need a bigger brush. I'm just gonna use this to kind of blend it out a bit. I don't know if I should do liner or not. Okay, let's do brows. Okay, I'm gonna do brows. Sorry, I just gotta hold the mirror here. And I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. And I'm using Anastasia brush 12. This has been my favorite brush to do my brows. Oh God. Still have powder on my face. Seven minutes. Fuck. Sorry guys. I have scars in this brow, so this is always my struggle to fill it in. The other ones are nice and evened out. But this bad boy needs to be evened out all the time. Okay, that's good enough. That's even enough. I don't mind. This hair is going sideways. Okay. Guys, this is what happens when you're trying to rush yourself. Give me one sec. I'm just going to pause it for one moment. Okay. 5 minutes left. I'm going to do liner. And I don't think I'm going to have a lot. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, wow, that's thick. That is thick. Okay, that's fine. We will do. Oh God. And that's the liner. Come on. Okay. Let's try to fix it. Let's stick in this one. Sure, that works. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do a little mascara. Four minutes. You might be able to do lashes. I'm gonna do the bottom of my eye. Oh, I gotta make sure I highlight. Did not do that. Usually I get that done before I do my eyes. Okay. 3.5 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna do my lips quickly. NYX nude truffle. Oh God. Sideways. Oh Lord. Okay. And let's just do the Fenty gloss. Just a little gloss, it's okay. Okay. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Let's just do lashes. Can we do lashes? Okay. We will do lashes. I'm gonna do the Cocoa lashes in style Fifth Ave. We have a minute and 31 seconds. Oh. Oh, and I gotta do the highlighter. Okay. Let's do this. Sorry if I'm gonna be off. Oh God. This is the only brush I found. Oh God. Oh. Alright guys, 35 seconds. I'm putting the lashes on. And oh. Oh Lord, okay, okay, yeah. This is not gonna stick. Oh, 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 maybe. Okay. And that's that, guys. It is over. You can't even see it on there, but it's done. Okay. All right, so not bad. Not too bad. Let me just take a closer look. The lash is barely stuck on, but you know, you can push that on as you're walking out the door. Okay. Okay. So, not bad. The lip is bomb. All right, well, I actually did it. I was not sure what the hell I was gonna do in 15 minutes, but this looks pretty cute. Once obviously I dress up and do my hair a bit. But yeah, you're gonna have to hold the lash on as you're walking out the door. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look. I think I might have cheated for maybe like a second or two when I paused, but all in all, this is 15 minutes. It's doable, that's for sure. I did not think I was gonna be able to do it, and I didn't really skip too much. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys think of this final look. It's a 15-minute full face glam, and I think it turned out really beautiful. You know, a couple minor things. The hell? Couple, you know, brow hairs missing, lashes not stuck on properly. But you know, we're shining, so that's good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys wanna see. Please comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snap, the whole shebang. I am mostly active on Instagram and Facebook, but you will start to see more of me on YouTube here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.